Hi everybody, it's me, Mr. Yo, and you already know from PRINCIPETV, smack that like button and hit that notification button. Okay, but today we're gonna be making some classic yellow cake, as you can see. So, we will need 1 cup of water, 1/3 vegetable oil, and 3 large eggs. So, I'm just gonna lay it down there. We have first, we're not gonna be using water, we're gonna be using milk. We'll put that there. We need some vegetable cooking spray for later. You'll see. We have a bunch of large eggs. Get large eggs, not small eggs, because then it's not going to be as good. We also have some vegetable oil right here. Also, check out the PRINCIPETV merch down in the link in the description. Also, so now, first, I need to tell you something. If you want a very great gift for your loved one for Valentine's Day, because it's in 2 weeks, if you want it, just bake her a cake or him a cake. Bake them a cake. It's really nice. Okay, I'm just gonna put all the ingredients back over here. We're gonna be showing some more things that you're gonna need. So we're gonna need some space. Okay, so we got the pot. Well, most recommended is a bowl, but you can use a pot, yeah, too. You're gonna need a mixer. If you don't have a mixer, grab a fork or a spoon and just go manual. It's gonna be taking a long time, but still worth it. We got measuring cups. You saw nothing. I totally didn't drop it in the trash. We got 1 cup. And we're gonna need 1/3 because you saw earlier in the instructions. So, I'm gonna put the rest right here. We also have this as a backup plan, just in case I can't crack the eggs on this. In there, like that. So, it's gonna be this. We're gonna be needing this for later, but we'll put the cake inside here, so that we can put it inside the oven, as you know. So, we're gonna put the mixer in. The mixing, I get confused sometimes. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells like cookies. Sorry, getting it on there. You want to move it around a little bit. Okay, let me just put this stuff in the garbage right now. Okay, so now we are going to be using 1 cup of milk. So this is 1 cup. Get the measuring cups. Easiest thing. 1 cup, 1/3. Okay, so we need 1 cup of milk. Be very careful because you could spill this very easily. Like that. Okay, now we're gonna get the I forgot the name. Vegetable oil. 1/3, remember? It's in my head. Oh yeah, also, if you haven't seen Cappy, he's been helping me, he's my chef out. He's been whispering things in my ears. So that I don't mess up. Very careful, remember. There we go. Okay. You're gonna want to close these things after. Like I left the milk open by accident. Somebody might be like, spill it all. Now, after you put the vegetable oil, you're gonna want to mix it again with your fork, because you want it to be in there. But first, I'm gonna actually not do that. I'm gonna just get the egg straight up. Okay. I'm gonna grab 3 eggs. Remember, you want to throw this in the garbage. Don't worry, I caught it with my foot. The fork is on my foot. Oh, I dropped it. Okay. Now, everybody, warning, headphone users, take off your headphones. You will go oof and die. You will die by the sound. Okay, I'm gonna need some tissue in a little bit. I'm gonna turn it to 1. Like 2. 3. I want to do it for a while. 4. 6. You need to get everything in there, and then 5. One eternity later. We're done. We got a giant spoon because, you see, I told you, we're gonna need these trays eventually. And actually, I'm feeling a smaller tray. I don't know about you guys. You want to make a bigger cake? Yeah. Got the spoon. What you want to do is make sure liquid. And then when you put it in the oven, it makes a perfect cake. So look. We forgot to put the cooking spray so that it wouldn't stick. Okay, let me say, this is how you bring backups. Tomato sauce. Remember, do not try this at home. Get a parent. Cappy is gonna help me. He's my assistant. Oh no, Cappy fell. I'm just gonna keep him on my head. Cappy, you want those? We put the stuff in there, and we have to move it again. Oh, but at least it's not heavy. Oh, I just had an idea. They're the same shape. Now, we are gonna be putting this into the oven. But first, kids, always get a parent when using the oven. Okay? So then you're gonna be like, oh, my cake's ready. Oh, my hands are burning. Yeah, it's not pleasant. I had that happen to me with a charger, and that's worse. That's not worse. Like, that is like fiery hot, like if you follow me, guys, be careful, be careful. I'm just kidding, it's not heavy at all. Be careful. You want to get the tray. You want to put it in the very bottom. You see? The oven. You want it to turn. not turning. Technical difficulty. Technical difficulties. I will be taking over for the cameraman.
You have to push and then turn. That's child safety lock. Yes. Now turn the other way. There you go.
Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it on 350, as you can see. Like right now, 350. Oh, go back away. Dance, 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 dance. It's already out of the oven. It just came. It's really fresh, hot, and good. So we're gonna be putting some vanilla icing and some sprinkles. So the tools we're gonna be using is a spatula, a fork to punch the holes in, and if you're too lazy to use a spatula, you can use a spoon. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll just show you. I'll use this one. So what you're supposed to do is you open this just at the, get it like that. You have to finish this open. And then you got vanilla icing. You want to be very careful because you don't want to spill any of it. You really want it to be on your cake, the icing. So you have to go. See this fork? 4 holes at a time. I've already put 4. We need 18. 16. That's 16. Okay, I need bigger holes. So I'm gonna go diagonal. Going the other way actually. I can go right this like that. This looks like more like an ice cream than a cake. We have to say thank you to Cappy for helping. Yeah, Cappy, thank you for all the hard work, like putting the cake inside the microwave and actually helping with the sprinkles. Yeah, you did a great job. So, okay, so it's also Leonie's birthday today, so I was gonna do this. I'm gonna go. And we're gonna go surprise him. I'll be right back. Guys, close your eyes. There's a surprise for you. Yeah. Okay, so we are back. Open your eyes. Birthday cake. Oh.
Just eat the cake. Oh my goodness.